Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example deals with both tickets and prices together. We have three different kinds of tickets. We have adult tickets, kids tickets, senior tickets with the associated prices. And we're told that if twice as many adult tickets were sold as kids tickets, and a total of 350 tickets were sold, and a revenue of $1,500 was collected, how many of each ticket was sold? Well, again, we start with let x equal. And since there were more adult tickets than kid tickets, let x equal the number of kids tickets sold. Then they tell us there's twice as many adult tickets, so that means 2x equals the number of adult tickets. And finally, the number of senior tickets. Well, we know there was a total of 350, which means 350 minus the number of tickets sold for kids minus the number of tickets sold to adults should equal the number of senior tickets. Now, to solve for x, we need to come up with an equation. And so the total revenue for kids plus the revenue for adults plus the revenue for seniors together should add up to the total revenue. So the revenue of the kids tickets plus the revenue of the adult tickets plus the revenue of senior tickets must equal the total revenue. And there's our equation. We now simply have to turn that into an algebraic equation with x. So if we take the price of each ticket for kids, so that would be $2.40, times the number of kids tickets, which was defined as x, we get the revenue for kids tickets plus the price for each adult ticket, and we multiply that times the number of adult tickets sold, which is 2x, plus the price of senior tickets times the number of senior tickets. That should add up to the total revenue, which in this case was $1,500. There we go. Now we have an equation we can solve for x. So let's go ahead and simplify. First, we want to get rid of the decimal. We can do that by multiplying both sides by 10. We don't have to do it by 100 because it's 0.80, 0.60, 0.40. So multiplying by 10 will get rid of the decimal. Of course, we need to do that to both sides. And we can also combine what's inside the parentheses here. So in this case, 10 times 2.4 gives us 24 times x, plus 10 times 5.6 is 56 times 2x, plus that will become 28 times 350 minus 3x, minus x minus 2x is minus 3x, is equal to 15,000. Now we need to get rid of all the parentheses. So this becomes 24x plus 2 times 56, which is 112x, plus 28 times 350. Well, let's get a calculator real quick. 28 times 350, that's 9,800. Minus 3 times 28, that would be 84x. That's 60, that's 24, that's correct. And that would be equal to 15,000. Now, let's move all the x's to one side while they're already there. Move all the numbers to the other side. That gives us 24x plus 112x minus 84x is equal to 15,000. And when we move the 9,800 over here, it becomes minus 9,800. All right, combining like terms. 84, that would be 16, 12, that's 4, that's 52 if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. That's 12 plus 16 is 28, 32, 52x. On the left side is equal to 15,000 minus 9,800, which is 5,200. Divide both sides by 52. And we get x is equal to 100 even. All right. Going back to see what x represents, it represents the number of kids tickets sold. That would be 100, twice as many adult tickets, which is 200, 350 minus the sum of the other two, which would be 50, and that gives us a total of 350 tickets. Now, let's do a check. Make sure we have done this correctly. What we need to do now, of course, is figure out how much money was spent on each of the type of tickets. We have 100 tickets for the kids, and they're $2.40 each. So for the kids, we have spent $240. For the adults, they're 200 each. I mean, not 200 each. We sold 200 tickets, and they're $560 each. So 100 of these is $560. Double that, that would be $1,120. And finally, we have 50 tickets sold. Of the senior type, that would be another $140 worth of tickets. When we add them all together, 0,151, we do come up with the amount of revenue sold that night on tickets. And since it's a two match, we probably did it correctly, and that is how it's done.